Snack is ready. Come on. Robert likes blueberry a lot, but unfortunately, it's cold. But unfortunately, these blueberries are past their primes, and we'll transform this into a delicious treat for Robert.
This is the
Blueberries.
Yes.
First, we need to wash it. Let's wash it. Come on. Put the blueberries in the bowl. Come on. All of them. All of them.
Asa.
All.
Are you taking blueberries?
All of them. It's cold. And let's wash it. Come on. Come on, wash it.
Wash it. Before this bomber. Put some on it.
What?
Missy.
You can try one.
I can try one.
Yeah.
Right. Not good.
It's good?
Good.
It's good.
It's good.
Now we need to do is to mash these blueberries. And we'll use the blender. Yeah, blend. The blender. We'll use the blender. Where is the blender? Where is the blender? No. We'll not do bish. Bear can do also, like this. I need to add, for a glue effect, 1 baked apple. Less time. Okay. Like this. In a thin layer. Spread.
What is this? This is.
Okay. One goes here. Okay, one goes here. But we will not close it, okay? Check. Like this. Okay. So, in almost 3.5 hours, our snack is ready. Come on. Wow. Let's take out. Okay, look. Do you want to taste it?
Don't taste it.
Okay, let's taste it. Come on. Okay, come on. Taste.
Good. What is this?
From blueberries. Так.
Good.
Good. Yeah. It's a little bit sour and sweet at the same, in the same time.
It's good.
Tiered, yeah. I like it too. The most important thing of this recipe is that it's super healthy without sugar. Sweet without sugar. Oh, go. It's sweet without sugar and super healthy.
You want to sleep?
You want to sleep?
You want to sleep. water.
Write in the comments below, what would you like us to cook next?
Banana.
Bananas? Okay, we'll see. By the way, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and write in the comments below, what would you like us to cook next?
Water. Касатик.
Oh, it's too much for you. You made a sandwich.
Сандвич.
Oh, sandwich.
Сандвич. Уютир.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.